Hi, this is Henry Chamberlain and welcome to our next video blog. You know, one of the things I hear as I go around the country a lot is that while the economy's better, I mean, occupancy's up, rents are up, more credit and debt out there, the stock market's doing well. People are saying it just doesn't feel that way. So I'm thinking we all need a nice diversion, something that's different. And one of my guru friends in the association world, Jeff DeCania, likes to talk about the duty of foresight, and that's our need to get out and see what's coming our way. Learn from others, learn from other industries. And maybe I'm focused on that a lot because I just came back from China. If you haven't been there, it's just amazing. The scale of the development is unbelievable. They're building a whole new industry literally from the ground up at an amazing scale. And if you want to see what's coming in terms of advanced design, the engineering of buildings, the use of technology, sensors, kind of security systems they're putting in, the customer service and management they're putting in. It's amazing. They're able to jump generations in terms of technology and that design. Well, they're all things that we can bring back to the existing building stock, to the kind of construction that we're doing out there. And the thing that they've needed from us throughout has been a better understanding of operations and management. How do you manage that asset and preserve it for 7, 10, 20 years? Of course, we have buildings here that are 40, 50, 60 years old that operate extremely well. The robust discussion we're having in between is so how do they manage those assets, how do they run those businesses. While we're at it, of course, we're looking at the new technologies and the applications that are out there. The point on that is there's a lot going on, whether it's China, whether it's Japan, whether it's Singapore. We need to get out of our own boxes, out of our own communities, and think about what's happening in the places that are developing whole new industries and leveraging up new technology. Then how do we bring that back to our offices? And speaking about technology, our National Advisory Council was just meeting in Colorado Springs. We had Realcomm's Jim Young there, and you all know him as a technology guru out there. Of course, you can see in this paperless world, obviously, I'm really into technology, still reading a lot of different paper, but he talks about a lot of different things that are out there. When you look at how customers are being dealt with, video concierge, buttons on the websites where people can answer not only questions from people visiting your buildings, but tenants can get answers. You look at wearable technologies, look at just Google Glass. Well, you can bring up the specs on your building and make the repair if you're an engineer using that. Drones, I mean, we laugh about what Amazon's talking about, but they are going to start delivering packages in a few years. And Alibaba, by the way, a Chinese company, may be doing the same thing. How are we going to integrate that into our buildings? The point is, there are a lot of new ideas out there, and we need to experience those. You need to read about them, whether you look at it in the BOMA magazine, whether you subscribe to e-newsletters, think about the Realcomm Advisory. There are a lot of great ideas out there that we can bring back, not only to our benefits and our properties' benefits, but to our companies. We can create some real value out there, but it's that duty of foresight. It's looking out to what's coming our way, and then how do you apply that to what we're doing that's important. And frankly, it's a nice diversion. While we don't feel like the economy is as good as it should be, the fact is a lot of good things are happening around us, and we can leverage up those good things and create value in our own companies. Think about your duty of foresight. Thanks.